Hey, welcome back to WP Globe YouTube channel. Are you thinking of creating polls and surveys for your website? Well, watch this video till the end and learn how to build engaging polls and surveys with the best WordPress tools. So first, let's talk about the polls. Polls are the most powerful way to collect useful information from your audience while keeping them engaged. So, in order to easily create and add a poll to your WordPress website, you will need the best poll tool, PollMaker. Within the PollMaker, you can easily and quickly create awesome polls and conduct powerful elections. Within the PollMaker plugin, you will find more than 15 style options, also 6 pre-built themes. As you can notice, the plugin gets regular updates and has more than 3,000 active installations. Also, as you can notice, the plugin has more than 200 5-star rates. With the PollMaker plugin, you can easily conduct 7 types of polls: choosing, versus, drop-down, voting, rating, range, and text. With the choosing type of poll, you can add as many answers as you need. Also, you can allow the responders to add their own custom answers. Versus. With the versus polls, the quiz takers are choosing between 2 opposing options. They can be statements or images. Drop-down polls give the responder an option to choose between the answers represented in drop-down menu. Voting polls allow the respondent to evaluate your product by choosing between statements or media by using like or dislike or smiley or a frown emojis. Rating polls allow using a simple 1 to 5-star rating option, or you can use emojis instead. The range polls will help you to exactly understand the minimum or maximum range of your poll. Text polls allow the responders to give full answers to the questions by using the short text and paragraph types of questions. So in this video, let's learn how to create a rating type of poll. First of all, I want to mention that you will only need 3 steps to take in order to have an engaging poll on your website. Click on the Add New button, choose your needed poll type, then add an important information such as question and answers, copy the short code and paste it on your needed post and page. That's it. Now you have an engaging website. So, after the successful installation and activation of the plugin, you can see the polls icon represented on your dashboard sidebar menu. Click on the Add New button. Now, on the General tab, let's set up our poll. As far as we are going to create a rating type of poll, first of all, we are choosing the rating type of poll. So, let's set a rate score and choose the icon. As you can see, you can choose between star or an emoji. Save it, and let's move on the Styles tab in order to have an interesting poll. Here you can choose a theme and the main color of your poll. Also, you can choose the text, icons, and background colors as well. You can customize the buttons, answers, and even add your own CSS. So for now, let's advance our polls with the help of Settings tab. Here you can allow multi-vote and enable the responder's anonymity, schedule the poll, and redirect after voting, and so on. So for this part, let's set result settings. Here you can enable the percentage of each question, show votes count, set results message based on the answer, and so more. On the Limitations tab, you can define the maximum number of attempts per use, or make your poll only for logged in users, and so on. The User Data tab is for learning more about the responders. Enable the information form in order to make your responder fill out a form. On the Emails tab, enable email autoresponders to keep you in know every time a vote is submitted. Turn on the Send Mail to the user and grow your email marketing list. Lastly, from the integrations list, you have a variety of third-party integrations to advance your poll. Once you have created your poll, you just need to copy the auto-generated shortcode and paste it directly to your needed post or page. Just publish it, and as you can see, it will work perfectly every time. The Survey Maker is very beginner friendly. All you need to do is just write a list of questions, configure settings, paste shortcode on the website, and start receiving survey submissions. So after successful activation, just click on the Add New button to start the creation process. First of all, we need to give a title to our survey, then write a description to make it more clear for the responder. The most important part is adding questions. As you can see, there are various types of questions like radio, checkbox, drop-down, paragraph, short text, number, yes or no, email, name, liner scale, metric scale, star rating, slider, date, and also you can upload your preferred type of question. As you can see, you have an option to add image to your question. Also, you can add images to your answer choices as well. You can duplicate your question, delete it, and make it required for the responder. If you want to add more questions, just click on the Add Question button. If you want to create more complicated survey with grouped questions, just click on the Add Section button. The Survey Maker allows to add unlimited number of questions and sections to your survey. So once we have survey questions, all we need to do is just save the changes and move on this Style tab. Here you can choose the survey theme, survey color, background and text colors as well, and some more customization options. To have an eye-catchy survey, you can enable a start page and customize it. Now, when we have our survey and survey style, we need to advance it. So, go to the Settings tab. As you can see, there are many advanced functionalities which you can enable or disable. The Schedule Survey option will help to save your time. Turn on the Allow to collect information from logged in users and collect valuable customer data and be always customer oriented. Enable copy protection to prevent your website from plagiarism. Enable the chat mode and you will have a conversational survey. Also, there are some general setting features like showing the start page and enabling the title or description of the survey. Via the Results Settings tab, you can redirect to the custom URL after the survey taker submits the survey form. Enable the Exit or Restart buttons, show the special buttons, and so on. Customize a thank you message for the responder to thank them for their spent time and make them feel special. As you can see, there is a Conditional Results tab. Via this tab, you can add conditions to your survey and generate a survey with personalized results for each responder. In the Limitation Users tab, you can define the maximum number of attempts per user or the maximum count of survey takers. Let's check out the email tab. Here you can enable the send email to the user and send email to admin. This can help you to build a powerful email marketing strategy. On the integrations tab, you will find third-party powerful integrations. Once we have created our survey, all we need to do is just copy the automatically generated shortcode, paste it on our preferred page, publish it, and see how it perfectly works on our WordPress website. These feature-rich plugins, both Survey Maker and Poll Maker, will definitely become your favorite WordPress tools. Hey, if you are interested in WordPress, hurry up, go and subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to not miss the best WordPress tutorials.